Our next eminent speaker is Rabbi Gabriel Negrin, who is the youngest chief rabbi of Greece, elected by the Greek Council and belongs to the Orthodox Jewish Church. Rabbi Gabriel is a visiting lecturer at the University of Athens. He's a strong advocate for the promotion of religious tolerance and peace, and he's a very good friend of the community, and I invite him to come and say a few words.
Thousands of years ago, a unique personality was born in the world. Our forefather, Avraham, our common forefather, and of all monotheistic religions. But most of all, Avraham, it was an important figure of the Scripture, not because of his existence, but because of his extraordinary relationship with his Almighty. Now, to speak for Avraham, I think I'm going to be boring because you already know who he is. But his relationship with God was a relationship unlike others who received the blessing of communicating directly with the Creator. Avraham was the one to force God's revelation, not just to receive it. He was the one to introduce the strange faith of one God to a world of idolatry. But still, by being a stranger with a strange faith, he kept the doors of his tent open from all sides for every single stranger, welcome him with respect and acceptance. That is what made Abraham, our forefather, whole in spirit and heart. Now, if you go in the world of peace, in Hebrew, shalom, you will find that that word had its roots to the word shalem, which means whole, complete. Avraham was the man of peace by understanding that you can accept every human being as the creation of his Almighty in his all image. We, the sons of Avraham, as brothers, we can be united in his own teachings and ideas. His ideas that we can be unified without being uniformed. We can be one, but at the same time believe different ideologies and understand the world by staring at it with different eyes. The Ahmadiyya community, by shouting proudly to the world, love for all, hatred for none, is a great co-builder on Avraham's path that allow us today to hope. So, thank you for having me here.